Hello candidates, AIIMS New Delhi has started the final registration process of AIIMS MBBS 2019 from February 22 to March 12. Only the applicants who have completed the basic registration process and generated the code can participate for final registration of AIIMS application form. As per the PAR registration facility, the AIIMS MBBS application form is divided into two stages: basic registration and final registration. The basic registration was available from November 30, 2018 to January 14, 2019. Let's check the final registration process in step-by-step tutorial on how to fill AIIMS MBBS application form 2019. First, go to www.aiimsexams.org and click on Academic Courses tab. Then click on MBBS button provided in the undergraduate course and click on Proceed button. Now in the candidate login, enter the registration ID, registration unique code, password and displayed CAPTCHA. Thereafter, the basic registration form will appear on the screen. Click on Proceed to step 4 after verifying the details. In the step 4, enter the qualification details including the language of question paper desired, appeared for AIIMS MBBS exam earlier, qualifying exam name, status of qualification, class 12 roll number, exam board name, state where you belong to, marks obtained in qualifying exam and total marks. After verifying all the details, click on Proceed to step 5 to move further. Then you can pay the application fee of AIIMS 2019 in online mode either through SBI Payment Gateway or PayGov Payment Gateway. You can choose the payment portal of your choice from the options available. AIIMS application fees for general and OBC categories is Rs 1500, while for SC and ST students it is Rs 1200. PWD candidates are exempted from the payment of registration fees. Next, select the mode of payment. The fees can be remitted through net banking or debit or credit card. Enter the required card details and click on Pay to deposit the application fees. Download and take a printout of payment receipt as a proof of payment by clicking on Print button. To move further, click on Proceed to step 6. In the next step, select a state you belong to and also select a city in which you want to take an online test from the center availability list. The center availability list shows the real-time status of seats in a city. The allotment of the center will be done on first come first serve basis. In step 7, the confirmation page will be displayed on the screen containing personal, contact, qualification, payment details, images uploaded and city chosen. Verify the details in the page and click on Proceed to take a printout of the confirmation page or go back to edit the submitted information. Only the registered candidates can download AIIMS MBBS Admit Card 2019 from May 15 onwards in online mode. AIIMS MBBS 2019 will be conducted on May 25 and 26 in computer-based mode. For more updates, stay tuned to careers360.com.